This assessment asks us to give the electron configuration for the carbon atom. Looking at the periodic table, we know that each row in the periodic table will represent one shell. The first row representing the number 1 shell, the second representing the shell 2. Carbon is in shell 2, and looking at where it is in the periodic table tells you how many electrons are in that shell. So the electron configuration for carbon is going to be 1s2, 2s2, remember that the s orbital can hold a maximum of 2 electrons, and then 2p2. The total number of electrons adds up to 6, which matches the number of protons in the carbon atom. The electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2.